Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick example of what my expectation is for your film strip illustration and then your recording for your presentation. So I'm using Screencastify just like you will be, and this, what you're looking at on my screen, is my Google slideshow that I've prepared with each of my four scenes from my comic strip. I just used the one from our example, so mine are actually images, yours will be illustrations. So here we go with my example. I'm going to show you what I expect from you. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you about the adaptation of color for camouflage happened in the species of moth. So early on, before the Industrial Revolution, we had an equal amount of white, light colored moths and darker colored moths in the moth population in a certain area. Then the Industrial Revolution happened, and a layer of soot came to be on the trees, and it killed off the white lichen. So the adaptation for being darker was more of an advantageous trait, and so they were less likely to be killed by predators, and therefore more likely to reproduce and pass off their genes for that dark coloring, which meant that unfortunately the white moths were easier to be preyed upon by the predators. So they were eaten and had less opportunity to reproduce and pass on their white genetics. So then we see this population trend after the Industrial Revolution, where there were more dark colored moths in the population of moths than the lighter colored moths in the population of moths. So that is what I expect from you as far as like a spoken presentation about your illustration. So make sure that you do a little bit of prep work and script what you want to say that matches your images that you put in your comic strip.